Now that it's been about 15 or 20 minutes or so since we first started our batch sparge, it's time to perform another Vorlauf, because the same exact thing happens because you've churned up all your grain in water. So once again, we just open up our spout a little bit. And then just wait until the beer really starts to run clear without much sediment coming through. Mine's already done it, basically, so that's nice. That was fast. Whoops. Let me just open her up and pour this in. And we'll let that go until it's done, and then it's time to start our boil.